Every sky can't be blue. It's hard to see it when you're walking in the gray. So many flights looking out of time too. So many things that I never got to. Good days, bad days, red lights, fast lanes. Would you never change? Would you be the same? Just tell me one thing that's true, and I ain't up. You hold me down. Hold me down. Hold me down. Say you hold me down.
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Pretty for real, I'm pretty for my cellular. No. You don't say you hot. No.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama, unless you come in with the commas. Or DJ turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. Jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know what up to make it jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 back it up, up. You know what up to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know what up to make it jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 back it up, up. You know what up to make it.
Only gotta make a call and I'm here. I'm the one to know your vibe, oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some carrots in your hair. Make a stitch up, I want to put it in the rear. Wanna give D, I serve it like a dealer. You been out there, I'm digging in the middle. I'm breaking your word, it can feel no better. Look every picture, I'm polarized. Shit tough, you know what. Have the street feeling like sirloin. Tell the chauffeur, take it, shit, now stop. Never play with you, be a war.
Okay guys, his hair is washed, conditioned, and blow dried. But yeah, we literally have to leave the house in like 3 minutes, so I'm trying to hurry up, do my hair real quick just so I look decent, because I'm taking him to his hair appointment as well. Quick fit check real quick. This t-shirt I got from H&M years ago and I never wear it, so I just asked my little sister to cut it for me. Now it's off the shoulder top. No, wearing these jeans. Ooh, with the cuff at the bottom. Jeans are from Zara. Okay, we gotta go. Thank you. Hi. Hey guys, little update. It's actually a lot later in the day. Ooh. It's actually a lot later in the day. I feel like it's almost 7 o'clock. Oh, it is. It's 7:22. After I took my nephew to his hair appointment, we got food on the way home, ate, and I've kind of just been chilling. I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a quick update of what's going on. But I'm currently editing this vlog, which I think might be my last video by the time you're watching this. But yeah, listening to music, editing, just chilling. These are the current vibes. My brother just messaged in the group chat and said, "Are you guys down to go bowling tonight?" I'm like, hell yeah. So I guess we're going bowling tonight. But yeah, I'm trying to get back to posting at least a little bit more consistently, even if it's not every week. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, say hey in the comments down below. Let me know how you're feeling about this vlog so far. I'm just gonna be chilling and editing, and I'll see you guys at bowling.
I don't know what you want to try. Every time you see do you remember when we fell in love? We were young and innocent then. Do you remember how it all began? It just seemed like it's so did it. And do you remember? I bet you be back in the fall. Do you remember the time? Do you remember how we used to talk? You know, we'd stay on the phone at night till dawn. Do you remember all the things we said? Like I love you so I'll never let you go. In the spring, every morning birds would sing. Do you remember such a when we first met, girl?
Gutter ball.
Remember my baby, 'cause I remember all in my mind, girl. Oh, why? Remember my baby.
Good morning vlog. Today's Sunday. It's 11:48 in the morning. Honestly, I woke up with a slight headache. Tried to go back to sleep. Didn't work. We probably got home at like 1:40 in the morning last night, and then I probably actually went to sleep by like 2:15, and then my body just also likes to wake me up super early, whether I feel like I've had enough sleep or not. So I think I woke up like 7:45, but I've showered. I put my outfit on already for the day. Made myself some tea to see if this could help with this headache. But I want to put a little bit of makeup on today because today we're going to the mall, which isn't really anything different. But why I want to go to the mall is because I actually recently just got a raise at my job. So I want to buy myself a like congratulation gift. Like, congratulations, we got a raise. Now let's go buy ourselves something. So I'm gonna buy myself a work bag. I wanted to get this bag from Coach. So we're gonna go to Coach today, see what the bags are giving, and hopefully take one home today. And I'm excited. But yeah, so just since we're doing that, I just want to look cute. And I just always like to look cute in general, you know? I like to do cute things while looking cute too. We're gonna try to keep the makeup real light, real simple. Don't want to do too much. So we're gonna do some concealer, some blush, some bronzer, maybe a little lip, and we're done. Cute. Subtle little summer makeup look. Let me put on my little bracelets and my ring. Quick little OOTD. Here's the jury outfit. Very simple. We have on this black halter top, which is from Shein. I'm debating on if I should change it into a regular tank top because this top, like, I constantly have to pull it down, and I don't know how I feel about that right now. And then I'm wearing my black linen pants, which are from Dynamite, and we're gonna throw on some black flip-flops. Keep it simple. We're gonna go with this bag, and scent is Cloud by Ariana Grande. Okay, yeah, definitely gonna change this tank top. Let me change it real quick. This is the other tank top. This tank top is from Garage. That's the outfit. Now let's go buy ourselves a bag. Ah! It was on sale.
And send a text to your DM.
That's $20. Guys, we made it to Coach.
You guys ate down.
Thank you.
You guys had me stumble on my words. Are you guys sisters?
We are. Yes, we are. Thank you, thank you. Excuse me. Question, do you have the City Totes in store?
Yes, they're tricky.
Perfect, thank you. I came here to get the Coach City Tote, which is right here. Oh, I didn't even know they had smaller sizes. This one's so cute, actually.
Yeah.
But I was coming to get the bigger one, but this one is kind of cute. Oh, this is so cute. That's cute too. This one's like more humble. Okay, wait, but I want black, which is that one. I just wish the black had gold hardware. This does look worse in person. This is really not it. Okay, let me look in the mirror. Can't really see. Guys, I don't know. Why am I second guessing myself right now? It is cute, but I feel like it's just a dark gray, and low key, I'm like, I kind of wish it was actually black. Let me get the mini one. Let me try the mini one on again. This mini one is cute. I like this. Wait, I thought this was gonna be a very easy decision. I was gonna come here, pick up my bag, and leave. And I'm like, I really like the gold hardware. I think the gold hardware is also really doing something for me. Guys, do I just get the brown instead? Do I just get the brown instead? And if I do I get this mini or do I get the full size? Let's take a big bit of grain to the whole world. Guys, I think I'm deciding on the big and the brown. And then I'd probably get like a wallet to match. Oh, the denim is so cute too.
Do you know you're recording?
Cute, this is so cute. You like this?
Yeah.
Guys, this is so cute to me. Look at this little cow print poodle. Hold my poodle. It's so cute. I love that. I just like this style of purse, but I think the brown one, the chocolate one, is my favorite. Guys, so I'm going to show you the next purse that I really want from here. It's a tabby. Love me a little Coach tabby. Just a basic little, like, everyday black Coach tabby. Like, she is just so perfect to me. I love a purse that's mini but could still hold all my things. I feel like this is perfect. I love the gold accents like this, that's so tea to me. So simple but so tea. Oh my goodness, is this the bag that has, this one's different. Guys, this one's different. You like this one more? Yeah. I really like the one with the pocket. Like more gold detail? Yeah. Okay. That's what everyone's voted for so far. Okay, girls, we've decided. We're getting the one with the pocket. I'm excited. Hi.
Gmail.com?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. And your phone number?
10.
So your total for today is $325. Water level first name.
Oh, that's cute. I know I have it right now.
What did you want to do today?
I think I might do this. That's cute. Let me see what else is on here.
If I do the same thing.
No, with the R.
They all have
I'm just joking. Shut up. No, I just want to be annoying.
And then you write down your first name and then your phone number as well, so we can contact you whenever it's ready. Okay, this is yours.
Thank you.
We'll call you whenever it's ready.
Okay, thank you. I saw these sandals online at Steve Madden, so now I want to go in, see if I like how they look on my foot, because I usually don't like sandals on me. I'm trying to be a sandals girl. Ooh, these are like the Coach flip-flops. Little dupe. I don't know how I feel about that though. What is even going on here? And I bet they're like $100, of course. $100 for what even is that? I'm so confused. Oh, I think this is it. This is the gold version. It's like a flip-flop, but like a little bit cuter. They're $90 and then they have an extra 20 or 25% off. 20. Cute. I just want a basic sandal, basic. Guys, I think I might like this one better. It's kind of like a brown nude, but with some silver sparkles. I can't decide. But oh my goodness, guys, I just met this girl inside garage. If you're watching this, hey! Her name was Maya. She was so sweet. Loved talking to you. Hope you have an amazing day. Teeny. Coach just called me, or well, maybe like 10-15 minutes ago. So I think they're calling me, telling me my little purse tag is finished being engraved, so I'm on my way back to go pick that up, and then we're going to the car. It's getting busier in this mall by the minute, so I'm ready to go, because if you know me, I don't really like people and getting a little overstimulated. It's time to go. So cute. Now let's get out of here. Hey guys. back home now. It's 4:15. I feel like, ooh, actually I said this in the mall already, but definitely started to get overstimulated. So I'm like, now I feel like I just need to sit with myself in silence and just, because that was a lot. The reason we went to the mall, the star of the show, this is the Coach bag that I ended up buying. She's officially a Coach bag owner. I was going to say earner. She's officially a Coach bag owner, and this is the signature station tote. I originally was debating between the city tote, but I guess this one is called the station tote. New bag, guys. This is my congratulations on getting a raise gift to myself. And then of course, as you guys saw, I got the little Coach tag, this, and then this. So cutie. Very happy with my purchase. Okay. Like I said, with all that was going on in the mall, I need a second to just breathe and sit by myself. So I'm gonna do that for a little bit. We'll probably go back outside real quick to take some pictures because I need some pictures for the gram. If I do end up taking pictures, I'll put them on the screen right now. Are they cute? And then I don't really have anything else planned for the day. So yeah, I'll just check in with you guys next time something interesting is happening. Low-key, I regret not bringing you guys when I went to go take pictures because it was cute. It was a cute little vibe, but I did get some good pics. They'll be up on my Instagram. You guys should go follow me on Instagram. But yeah, after we took pictures, me and my little sister went and got like bubble waffles with ice cream. It was so good. So good. It's also expensive, but it was good. But yeah, I feel like I had a good day. I feel like I had a good weekend actually. Hopefully this vlog turned out real good because I feel like it was good vibes. The vibes are kind of up. We did some more things than I anticipated. I just got out the shower, feeling good, feeling fresh. What time is it? It's 9:41. I love to be in bed early on a Sunday. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill in bed for a little bit before I actually go to sleep. I have my nice cold water. But this is pretty much where my night ends. This is where my video ends. I hope you guys enjoyed spending the weekend with me. I feel like this was a fun little vlog. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get triple the content from me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Yeah, I'm the one that got the scene banging. And I go hard, that's why they keep talking. 3 years and I'm only just getting started.